Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Samidha Chandvekar. I am from the Department of Information Technology. I work as an assistant professor in CKT College, New Panvel, Khanda Colony. Mm, Today, I give you the explanation about the introduction to Python. What exactly the Python is there? Python is nothing but a one programming language, which is interactive programming language. Means we can easily get interaction with this particular programming. It is interpreted programming language. It's a object oriented programming language. It's a high level programming language. It means you can write a Python program in easy way, just in a spoken English language. So what exactly the difference between the programming language and scripting language? The Java is a programming language, but Python is again the programming language. But what is the difference between the Java and Python? To print a hello world, we required to give the class of Java. Then we give the public static void main will be there. Then we have to write the system.out.println. But we want what exactly? Our program is just print hello world. So simple way we can give the name, that is print hello world. In a Python you will give the what print of this hello world. What exactly the Java is required a one class file, and then we will get the hello of this word. But in Python we just write a program print hello world, and we will get this hello program. What exactly there are the different versions of the Python? There is a Python 2 and Python 3. The previous version is the Python and the future version is the Python 3. The recently we are working on the Python 3.14. Mostly the same it is. It just have the simpler differences in that. That means it's a very legacy Python 2. Python 3 is a use in a future purpose. Python 2 have a different libraries, but more libraries they have included in a Python 3. In that there is a particular Python 2 supports to the ASCII, and Python 3 supports to the Unicode. If there is a division 7 by 2, in Python 2 it gives the approximate answer, that is 3, but in Python 3 it gives the perfect accurate answer, that is a 3.5. In Python 2 just you write a print that what, but in Python 3 you require to give the brackets of this Python. What Why we are using the Python? Because first of all Python is a beginner friendly, means if the anyone doesn't have the background of the programming language, that person also can do the Python programming easily. They can study about the Python because it's a very friendly language. Python is a very, it is a simple programming language. Just I recently tell you how we can give the print command of the hello world. uh, Basically Python matured the package libraries, means number of libraries are already included in the Python. If you want to plot diagram, so that time you can import the matplotlib. If there is a numerical functions are there, then you can numpy add. There are the number of libraries are there in Python. Again the basically the today we are very curious about the AI, right? So that is artificial intelligence, and basically artificial intelligence program is supported by the Python only. Means Python programming we can use for the machine learning model, then we can use for the artificial intelligence model to develop this one. It's Python is a explainable, that means everything can be explained in a Python. It's a versatile and flexible. It means we don't require to have a particular required a specific configuration to run the Python. Basically Python is work on any kind of the system. It supports Linux also, it supports Windows also, even it supports your Android mobile phone. So Python programming you can do on anywhere, so it's a versatile and flexible. Next, what are the advantages of this Python? So this Python is basically a free and open source. See, nowadays we are mostly use some tools which are free and open source. So basic Python is the free and open source. That means what? The code is a free. It's a kernel part is a free, but it developed by the different companies. So it's a free and open source. We don't require to pay anything. It improve the productivity. Why? Because the Python gives the basic improved the productivity means it gives you the different kind of the models. You can prepare the different models, you can train the model with that Python programming. It's a interpreted language. Interpreted language means you don't require to create an object file. It automatically creates the object file. You just have to run the program. You don't require to compile. So basically the compile will be given by the automatically by the Python. It's a dynamically typed. It just means whatever you have spoken, you just have to type and get the answers or get the outputs of this Python programming. Python programming supports the vast libraries. There are the lots of libraries regarding to the numerical methods, regarding to the plot diagrams, regarding to the any just suppose you want to make a butterfly flying from this to this, you can do with the Python programming in the TensorFlow and all this. So it means the vast libraries are supported in a Python. Again, it's a object oriented programming language. So these are the some advantages of the Python programming. But what are the disadvantages? It obvious, that is a speed limitations. It weak in the mobile computing, means when you want to do the some Android applications, the Python is very weak. Then decision restrictions are there. The particular predictions and decisions we can do in particular restrictions. Then it is underdeveloped in database layers. So this is the disadvantages of the Python. What is the web frameworks? These are the some frameworks. Means Python, we see get the idea that Python is a free and open source, but there are some web frameworks. Web frameworks means what? These are the some companies, or these are some names we can call it is as a Python. That is a Web2, Dango, Pyramid, Tornado, then Cherry Pie, Flask. These are the different web frameworks in the Python. These are the again Bottle, then Dash, Cube Web. These are the another web frameworks in the Python. Then what exactly the file extensions in Python? The file can be this. Similarly, Word have a extension .doc. Similarly, Python have a extension .py. You can normal extensions, mainly normal extensions that then compile bytecode, that is .pyc. DLL file, that is .pyd, PYO, that is for the optimization, PYW for the Windows script file, and PYZ, that is the Python script active file. This is the applications of Python. Mostly Python used in the web and internet development. Web applications, internet development, games and graphics we can develop with the help of this Python programming. You can also develop the different kind of the softwares with the help of this Python. You can do the business application. Most of the there are the some predictions related data that can be do with the help of this Python. Then database access is there, that you can access a different kind of the data. In data science, big data analytics, we can use the Python programming, as well as in network programming also we are using the Python. So these are the applications of Python. These are some popular websites built with the Python. Means we all use Instagram, we use Google, we use YouTube, we use Reddit and Pinterest, Quora, Dropbox. These all are the websites. Behind to development of this website, there is a Python. So basically the behind the development of the YouTube, behind the development of the Google, there is a Python programming. So these are the popular websites which are built with the Python. Thank you. To be continued.